Hello, boys and girls. Today is a new week, and we are on the fourth week that we have been learning from home. So we will go ahead and get started. If you will look at your calendar, we are still in April. So we'll go ahead and do the days of the week, okay? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And today's a new start. And if you'll look at the calendar, this is the last week in April. So today is Sunday, Monday, and then we'll count to find out. And we start with 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th. 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, and I went too far. So we're going to back up. 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th. So today is Monday, April 27th, and the number of days that we're in school. The last time we had 2 sets of 10. So 2 sets of 10, that's 10. This would be 20. And then when we add one more, we have 21. So we have been learning schoolwork at home, and that makes day number 21. So that's a lot of days, not quite a month, but quite a few days that we've been learning from home. So this week we have our very last letter, and that letter would be the letter Z. And if you can tell, I made a Z just like we would on paper, but I did it in the air, and that is the sign for Z. And the animal sign for Z is zebra, where I take and make like the stripes on the zebra. So today in your Z packet, you're going to take and you are going to trace rainbow right, the letter Z, and if you will take and start and go across on the top and then slant down and then go across at the bottom. That's an uppercase C, and the lowercase c will be exactly the same. It's just that it will be smaller. And then we have 3 words down here. We have a zebra, a zoo, and zipper. And zip, which is what you would do, like I would zip my coat using this zipper. That's a 3-letter word that we can read. Z-O-O is not one that we would normally read because O-O is a special sound, and it says z-oo. So O-O in some words will say ooh, like z-oo, zoo. But that wouldn't be one that I would expect you to read because that's a special sound. So, and you can color the zoo, the zipper, and the zebra once you trace your letter Z. Okay, and then when you go into your packet, week 4, F-O-U-R, and I'm going to write the number 4 because that's one of the things I want y'all to practice is your vocabulary words, your sight word cards, because F-O-U-R spells 4. So if you will open it up, the very first page is week 4, day 1. And you're going to do the beginning sounds. So you're going to look at each picture and say the picture and then fill in the correct circle. Like this is an ant. So you have a G and you have an A. Which one makes an sound? So what I did was I colored in the A and I just X'd out the G because ant is an A. We have a dog, king, lamp, ball. This is a mouse. It would be a rat because we don't have an R down there. So I see an M, so I know it's a mouse. Then I have a rocket, pizza, and a wagon. When we're talking about beginning sounds, I want to say something about one thing that I've noticed with a lot of kids on Seesaw All right, since we're learning so many letters, a lot of us, when we see a C, we're saying the S sound of the C. C is for cat. So unless it's a special C sound, most of the time you need to say that C is a K sound, K, cat, like the K sound, like kangaroo. The C sound that you're trying to do is the S sound, S. So when you're sounding out a 3-letter word, like I've noticed a lot of people with this, like a C-A-N, a lot of them are going S instead of K, 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 an, okay? So try to remember that for right now, the only sound you need to worry about for C is the K, K, cat sound, okay? And I know that it's sometimes confusing, but C is for cat, okay? And then if you'll turn the page, this is going to be our math page. We're hunting for shapes, and all we're looking for is triangles. Color all of the triangle shapes. Here's a pizza, triangle. Here's looks like a rat or a mouse, triangle. What would I think that's money, okay? Square. She's holding a triangle. This butterfly shape right there, what's that? This, do you see a triangle shape in that? What would that one be? This one. So you're looking only for the triangle shape. So anything that has a triangle, color the triangle shapes, okay? So, you will, I have sent the learning menu to your parents. I have given a link to a new book. If you like the Magic Treehouse books and you've been listening to them, you would be on number 5, and that would be The Night of the Ninjas. I have a song that I have downloaded for you guys. It's called The Colors of the Rainbow, and if we had been in school, this is one of the songs that I would have taught you, and it's one of my favorite songs, so I hope you'll listen to it. You're going to read a book called Planting a Rainbow, because this week I had scheduled for us to learn about plants. And so I hope you will listen to that. And what do they mean? We're planting a rainbow. You'll have a seesaw activity that has to do with beginning sounds, which will be easy because you guys have mastered the beginning sounds of things. So you will not have any problem. So your work today should be easy peasy for you guys, okay? Before I go, I want to real quick go over our sight word cards. I haven't done it in a while, and I just real quick want to go over. Y-L-O-W, yellow. Is, that's an S that does have an Z sound. It. I, and remember that by itself would be I, or it would look like that. Most of the time it's going to look like this. I, R-E-D, red. W-H-I-T-E, white. A, G-R-E-E-N, green. S-E-E, 2 E's, a C with 2 I's, C, B-R-O-W-N, brown, okay? Then we've got some more. B-L-A-C-K spells black. P-I-N-K. P-I-N-K. And that would be pink, like my lipstick would be pink. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple, okay? Purple. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. And that's a 2-syllable word, orange, because there's more than one vowel in the word. It would be a 2-syllable word. Blue, blue. I-N-N. O-N, on. Then the next set is your number words, okay? F-O-U-R, four. And this is one that you can't try to sound it out. It will not sound out. So you just have to remember F-O-U-R spells four. S-I-X, because this is a three-letter word, you can sound it out. Six. So this is going to be one of the easier ones because you can actually sound it out. Now this one you could sound it out, but you have to know that the E sneaks up. You don't hear the E sound, and it makes the I long. Ein. Nine. So N-I-N-E spells nine. T-H-R-E-E spells three. O-N-E, one. And the beginning sound you hear in one is a W. So don't even try to sound this one out. You just got to put it into your brain and memorize it. One. T-W-O, two. That's another one you have to memorize. Now this is the one, don't even, A, eight. You don't even hear an E. You don't even hear an I, and the E and the I together say an eight sound. So I know I make an A sound. So don't even try. All you hear is A, T, and the T. But it's E-I-G-H-T, the number 8. So that's one you really have to practice so that when you see it, number 8. This one, again, you can sound it out, but that sneaky E makes this long. You don't hear the E, but it would be five. F-I-V-E, 5. You can sound this one out. It's a consonant, vowel, consonant sound. T and 10. And then you can figure this out by sounding out, but it is a 2-syllable word. But if I say sev, and so if I can get to sev, then I should go, oh, 7. So this one's not so hard because the S-E-V part, the first syllable, you can sound out, 7. So that's 7, okay? So new vocabulary words that you should be working on, okay? And when you read them, your parents should just be able to flash them in front of you and you say them quickly, you know, like this. 9, 4, 6, 3, 1, 2, 8, 5, 10, 7. So that's why they call them flashcards, because they go really, really in a flash. That's where they get the word flashcard. So work on those because that's something that we would have worked on in the classroom the whole time until the end of the year, was learning how to read our color words and our number words before we left for the summer. So you can still work on that, okay? So that's work for today. Like I said, not a super hard day at all. So I hope you have a good day. I miss you guys. I love you guys. And I hope that you're good for your parents. And I hope everybody got their special letter that I sent in the mail. If you didn't, let me know because I did send something for everybody. So I hope you did get it, okay? But I will see you again tomorrow for the lesson tomorrow. And like I said, have a good day, and I will see you through video tomorrow. Bye.